Hi, thanks for checking out our channel here. This is going to be a little, kind of a different video style, I guess, because my clamp mount that holds my camera, phone, whatever you want to call it, broke. I just ordered another one. Should be here by Sunday, and it's Thursday now. But I'm going to probably pause video, do a part of the repair, and unpause it, show you what I've done. But this is on a Power Wizard PW500. Little half joule output, probably close to 0.9, 1 point something stored, I would guess. Pretty good units. We don't get these small ones in for repair very often. I mean, we do, but not very often. So if you got one of these and want us to take a look at for you, I'd be happy to take a look at it for you. We do work on all brands and ages of electric fence boxes. I mean, Gallagher, Power Wizard, old Speed Rights, old Gallaghers, Parmac, Stay Fix, Speed Right, whatever. Working all that stuff. All right, so what this unit's doing, you can hear it clicking. You can't see it flashing because the glare from the light overhead is blocking out the light from flashing, but it is flashing red like it's supposed to. You hear it ticking, so that means that the board's discharging into the transformer. The transformer is what's making the ticking sound. But when we test it, let me pause it for a second. So you have the meter hooked up, and we're getting barely 1,000 volts. So usually when you get low voltage on a unit, usually a problem's a transformer. So I think I got transformers here for this model. So I'm going to go grab one, and we're going to swap it over and retest it. So it's a new transformer. It does go in a certain way. Now, I wasn't for sure which way it was going to go. I mean, I could test it and figure it out. And that's not a hard thing to do. But it does show, you know, the tabs that are closer together go on the input side, and your output side of the tabs are farther apart. So let me swap the transformer out real quick. All right, wires are unplugged. It just pulls out of there. Now let's see. It looks okay. Doesn't smell bad. There's no cracks in the epoxy. So if something is wrong with it, I mean, the board could be bad, I guess. But we'll swap the transformer out just to see. So the transformer just kind of lays down in there. It doesn't really get held in by anything but the wires and the case. Once you get the case on there, it does sit in a little crevice there, kind of, and the case kind of helps hold it to where it needs to stay at. Once you put the cover on, top cover on there, it holds it the rest of the way. All right, I got the new transformer in. Let's get the cord or the tester hooked back up. Now if this doesn't fix it, then we'll know for certain that the old transformer was fine, and then we got some kind of discharge problem with the board somewhere. But it sounds healthy. It's clicking like it's supposed to. These aren't very loud units to start with, and and it's nice click from it like it's supposed to. So it's probably just a transfer. So I'm gonna plug it in. Oop, look, there it goes. Getting little over 7,000 volts. So it's working like a dream now. So we'll put the cover back on. We'll call the customer up. I'm sure they'll fix it. Pretty cheap fix compared to a new one. And then we'll get this unit boxed up and shipped today. So that was a quick little video on this unit. So if you got a fence chart that needs to be worked on, you're welcome to send us one to be looked at. Whether it's this model or any other brand or model, we work on all brands and ages. Free quotes and a 1.5 year warranty. And we also work on cattle scales and low bars, livestock scales. So if you know somebody that works with the FFA or 4-H, or whatever, if they got like some scales that aren't working right, or they have trouble with their scales or whatever, or if you use some scales or a neighbor uses scales, when we work on, Gallagher and True Test are our two biggest brands that we work on, but there's other brands that are out there. And as long as they're not some really, 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 really cheap brand that you can buy for $400 on Amazon or whatever, or eBay, then those you can probably get them fixed. But some of those real cheap ones, cheap for a reason, because you can't get parts for them, that sort of thing. So, but anyways, until next time, see you guys later on, and have a good rest of your day.